going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Kia Soul. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. So the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Now if we look right here where the buttons are, there's this button that's right here. And if we push that with our thumb, then we can pull out the emergency key. That's what's going to allow it to come out. If you look over just like this, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're actually going to split the remote open, all right? And I'm going to stick the flathead screwdriver in this spot right here. Hopefully you can see that real well. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Right here, okay, and we're going to give it a twist, and we're going to go clockwise. Okay, and you can hear it crack open like that. You can flip it over, and you can see how we're split open. And we're going to use the remote to split it open even more. These things are usually a little sticky, okay, or tight. So it might sound like we're kind of damaging it, but we're not. Just be real careful, okay? And you can pry it open. And once we get it open, here's what we're working with. Now what you're gonna need to do to get the battery out, we're gonna have to actually lift this board up, okay? Because this rubber seal that goes around the board is actually in our way right here. And we can just slide the battery out of the remote, okay? Let me put this down here. Slide it right out. Okay, with our thumb like that. And pull it out, okay. We get the new battery, and I'll show you what size. So here's our new battery here. This is a Panasonic battery, and the size is a CR2032. And the positive sign that you see right here, that's gonna be facing out towards us. You can see there's a positive sign right here on the remote. You can just slide it back in. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box below. I have a link that takes you to Amazon, where you can pick one up if you need one. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this right back on here, but we need to make sure everything's back where it's supposed to be. Stick it back in here, push it all the way down, and get the back cover. Stick it on here, squish it all together. Now this can be kind of hard. These are usually pretty sticky. Squish it in, put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate you dropping me a like, leave me a comment. See you in another video.